100 for one. 100 for one. 100 for one. So we've already had several 30s and 20s and 50s, and now we're having 100 for one. What's the worst CEO in the world? 10 points if you know the answer to this. I'm mulling that one over. Breaking news here on Mullen. Mullen, are you still in? Well, I've got some good news for you. I've got some great news. You're going to love this. You're going to love it so much. You're going to be so happy that you tuned into this video because you found out some stuff you couldn't find anywhere else. Nobody else will tell you this. I'm pretty sure no one else is going to tell you this. Well, I've got some news for you. Mullen, just a few moments ago, Dave Mitchery phoned me up, says, Martyn, I've been watching your videos and I've noticed what's been going on and I want to finally come on your show. I've got some news. I've got some news that you're going to love. Dave, what is it? What do you have for me? Hey, Mullen, where's my money gone? I wasn't quite that excited when he called me up. I tried to be professional, but that's what I was feeling inside. Inside, I was thinking, this is great. I finally got him on the phone. He then went to me, said, Martyn, I got some news and I want you to share it on a video. I went, I can actually tell people what you're telling me on this phone call. Yes, you can, because I got people who call me up. I got people who tell me things. Are you sure? Because I can't be ranting and raving about your channel and telling everybody how great it is. I've got to tell the truth. Yeah, you can tell everybody exactly what I'm telling you now. Fantastic. Dave, tell me all about it. Okay, Mr. Mitchery, give me your information. So we had a private conversation. I read it all down and now I'm sharing it with you on this video. And I'm very excited to share with you some wonderful information on Mullen. Are you sitting tight? Now I'm going to tell you now, before I tell you the information, you won't hear it. It'll be silent. It'll be absolutely silent unless you tap me on the head just about there, right? And smash the like button. If you don't, you won't hear it. Let me just wait a second. Have you done it? Okay, now you can hear me, right? Well, Dave said to me, he said, Martyn, we've got some good news. What we need to do is we need to get the stock price up. I said, that would be great. He said, so what we're going to do, we've done a deal. We're doing a merger. Okay, with who? And I'm thinking, who they're doing a merger with? Is it going to be Tesla? Is it going to be, who's it Ferrari? I mean, we mentioned Ferrari before. Is it going to be Ferrari? Who's it going to be? Just wait for it. Okay, we're going to do a reverse split. What, again? We have to get it up to $1. We have to get up to $1. I said, what is it this time? 100 for one. 100 for one. 100 for one. So we've already had several 30s and 20s and 50s, and now we're having 100 for one. So basically, if I do my maths correctly, about $125.36, I can buy the entire company. He didn't like that. He thought that was a bit cheeky. But I thought, well, I'm just going to say how it is, mate. I mean, really. And he said, well, no, we're going to do 100 for one reverse split. Right? Okay. But who's the merger? Who are we merging with? What's the good news? He said we're gonna merge with another well-known company which will get the information out there. And I said, I know I've seen you on other YouTube channels. I've seen you on other YouTube channels. Very dodgy YouTube channels. I've been inviting you for ages to come onto my channel, but you wouldn't come on. You only ever go on, and he said, no, this time, do it right. So we're gonna merge with a well-known company, and we believe it will really benefit the stock. So at this point in the conversation, I'm really excited. I'm thinking, I can't wait to make this video. I can't wait to make this video and tell the world all about it. Got an exclusive. So then for some reason, he kept delaying it. A bit like I'm delaying making this video. But anyway, I listened intently. And he said to me at the end, we're going to do a reverse split, 100 to 1. I said, when's this happening? Later on in September, another month away. Okay, all right. Well, when's the information going to be out? Where are we going to find this information? So I'm going to put it on a website, and it's a website where everybody will want to watch it. Everybody. We're going to get a lot of attention. And at this point, you can imagine, I'm thinking I'm going to buy millions of shares because this is going to be great, right? So just before I tell you who we're merging with, it's great. 100 to 1, a merger, going to be great. I want to just bring in a couple of comments because I've got some comments here from my viewers who want to put these to you. So I want all of you, I want to put all these comments to you, and I want you to answer before I tell you who the merger is, okay? So here are some of the comments that I've got from my audience. We did a poll to find out the best, the best comments, okay? So these are some of the best comments that we've had from my viewers that I wanted to share with you. So first of all, we got a question here from Jojo S. Jojo S said, it's Virgin Orbit and Mullen doing a merger. I think he's given up on the stock. Jojo S, he's trying to be funny, right? This is a serious video. Serious stuff here. Virgin Orbit are doing a Mullen merger. I think you know better than that, Jojo S. I think we all know that Virgin Orbit has gone down the toilet, right? Neil's phoned in from Dubai somewhere. Looks like he's from Dubai. Mullen is a joke itself. Unbelievable. He thinks Mullen is a joke itself. What about Mike? No. Mullen will merge with OnlyFans. Mike, what do you know? How do you know this? What do you know? I think you should start saying Mullen's going to $10 and how bullish you. I can't do that, Sensei. I can't make a video and make up stuff and pretend something's happening. People, this is serious channel here. I can't be doing that. Jojo S says, breaking news on the Martyn Lucas Investor. Richard Branson breaks into the Mullen RV truck to check if he's really going to the moon. So I don't think you guys are taking this seriously. So I shall reveal all. Mullen next month on 100 to 1 reverse split is doing a merger, and I think this is going to be great. They're doing a deal with OnlyFans. Now, some of you might go, that can't be true. Mullen is an automotive company doing a deal with OnlyFans. Well, trust me, you heard it mentioned earlier. Mike heard about it. Mike has been doing research. He's been going around Reddit. He's been going around these channels, these YouTubers, making up wonderful stories to promote the stock. And apparently it's true. Dave Mitchery is going into business with OnlyFans. And by the end of this week, we anticipate seeing Mullen at 0.00001 cent a share, which is in fact what it actually would be if we hadn't reverse splitted it many, many times. So what do you feel? We all bought an invisible stock. Well, guess what? If you do your research, you'll find out Mr. Mitchery has done this several times before. In fact, quite a few times before, but I just can't go into it in finer detail for obvious reasons. But here we are. How do you feel? Are you like me? Have you lost all your money? Has it all just whistled off into the breeze? Or do you think next month, when we do a reverse split for 100 shares for one, and we do business with OnlyFans, finally, Mullen will be the company we've all dreamed of. Until then, as always, take care of your money, your crypto, yourselves. Most importantly, take care of your poor little Mullen shares that have gone from something to less than something to nothing. Bye-bye for now.